Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been looking for a straightforward way to connect your Etsy shop to your Wix website, you're exactly where you need to be. Today, I'll walk you through the entire process of adding your Etsy shop to Wix, and by the end of this video, you'll know how to showcase your Etsy products directly on your own website, helping you attract more customers and grow your business. So let's dive right in. The very first thing you need to do is head over to your Wix web design interface. If you're already logged in and editing your site, you're right on track. For those who might be new to Wix, this is the dashboard where you customize anything and everything about your website. Layouts, pages, images, and importantly for today, integrations like Etsy. Getting comfortable with this interface is key to making your site work for you. Next up, you're going to use the search feature, which is super handy for quickly finding tools and features in Wix. Look at the menu, usually on the left of your dashboard, and click the search bar. Type in Etsy. Now, the search makes this step really simple. It filters out all those unrelated apps and tools, bringing up exactly what you need. Imagine you're looking for your favorite cereal in a huge supermarket. Using the search bar is like walking straight to the cereal aisle. You'll see an option for Etsy integration appear in the results. Go ahead and click on it. This integration is designed to sync your Etsy shop with your Wix site, making it possible for your visitors to browse and buy your handmade or vintage products directly from your website, which is a fantastic way to streamline your sales process and increase visibility. From here, you'll see an Add to Site button or a similar prompt to connect Etsy to your site. Click this. It might take a minute or two for everything to load and sync, so don't worry if it doesn't happen instantly. Just give it a moment. Once complete, your Etsy listings can be displayed seamlessly on your Wix. Site. This means anyone visiting your site can see your products, learn more, and be instantly connected to your shop without ever leaving your website, which is a great way to keep visitors engaged and make shopping easier for them. Now, if at this point you're hitting a roadblock and not seeing the option to add Etsy, there's a simple reason that might be stopping you. Usually this happens if you haven't yet installed the Wix Store app or your site isn't on a Wix premium plan. The Etsy integration relies on these features to work correctly. So take a moment to check your site settings. Are you using Wix Store, and do you have a premium subscription? If not, you'll need to upgrade or install those so the integration becomes available. Don't stress if you run into this. It's super common, especially if you're just starting out or working on a brand new site. And that's really it. With just a few clicks, you can connect your Etsy shop to your Wix website and start enjoying all the benefits of a more unified online presence. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and drop any questions you have down in the comments. I'm always happy to help out, and if you want more practical tutorials just like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you never miss an update. Good luck with your website, and I'll see you in the next video.